Hi guys, so in this video I'll teach you how to use different apps during WhatsApp video call. So if you want to learn how it's done, just watch this video until the very end. It's pretty quick and simple, so let's go. So to do that, let's head over to WhatsApp, and once we're in there, just head over to your settings by clicking these three dots up here, clicking on settings, and you can proceed to your settings. Now what you need to do is just click on this notifications right here. Then as you can see, just try to disable all of the notifications so it won't actually appear when you're using other apps. The next thing you can do is to just hold WhatsApp right here, click on app info, and from in here you can see this VIP. So make sure that picture in picture is allowed because this will allow you to actually use Snapchat while using another app. So that's the whole process. I hope this video helped you to use different apps during WhatsApp video call. If you have comments, can you put in the comment section below? And if not, don't forget to subscribe and like. Thanks.